Welcome back to Name That Tune. I'm your host, Jick Brick, and if you're just joining us, we have a real doozy for you today. Brian is here in the bonus round, and he has one shot to win $1 million if he can name that tune. Brian, buddy, how you feeling going into that bonus round for $1 million? Oh man, I feel great. I didn't know it was gonna be $1 million though, so I'm a little bit nervous. All right, nobody cares, okay? Brian, you're not new to the game, so you know how this works. The contestant will get a 5-second preview of the song, and then he will have 10 seconds to name that tune. If he gets it right, Brian here will be walking home with $1 million. And if he does not get it right, he will go home in sadness and probably to nobody. I'm sure Brian has nobody in his life. Oh, all right. That was a little hurtful. I don't think I deserved that. All right, Brian, here comes your 5-second song preview. Oh man, Jick, I think I know this.